organization, or is it personal token? Project read, project releases, project write. It's going to be one of these. So I need one of these. Read, write, read, write. We're just going to give it access to all of it. Hopefully it doesn't print my API key on screen. Because, God, also this better be. Okay, cool. It's secret. Let me move this off screen real quick for obvious reasons, and we'll do variant AI. Let's see. Yeah, plain sight. Let's see if this, let's see if it pulls it up when we push this provision. Wrote 32 values, reuse 4 Century projects under launch Soku. So I should be able to refresh this and be like 4 variant AI ones. Yeah, nice. Okay. That's kind of cool. Now post hog. These are all marked optional, but they're not optional. I don't know why it's saying it's optional. Let's go to default project. Can I do another one? What do I need? Project key. Well, I kind of wanted it to do this on its own. Nice. Alright, well, we'll skip this one for now because I'm not upgrading at this moment. Maybe I will later, though. Upstash Reddish. This is going to be non-optional. Redis. Create a new one. By connecting probe. Optionally, locally. I guess create one. Nice. Don't worry about it. I don't want to do this right now. I will in the future, but I don't want to do it right now. Alright, well let's see how far. Oh, resend. I do need this one. Resend's gonna do the same thing to me. Let's just, yeah, I don't want to do this. I don't mess up with this one. Log out. Variant. Let's see. Yeah, we'll save it. Sure, why not? Go to login. Come on, dude. I'm surprised they don't block aliases in resend. I mean, because it's like that's a big part of. Hello, dude. I literally did. I literally just did this. Confirm account. All right, add an API key. Let's copy this. Send it in there. Provision. Why did you reject that API key? Maybe you can just send an email real quick. That happened because this is the API key. Okay, maybe we'll just skip this one for now. And required cards skipped. They stay on your dashboard as pending tasks. Resend. Provision or skip every required card to continue. I mean, I did this. Recheck. Complete the login in your terminal. Then so this is connected. Can I recheck this? This should be. I don't know what this says, but Vercel and Stripe. Oh, I forgot to add that CK test. Vercel though, this should be done. It says connected. Maybe it's just Vercel. Or sorry, Stripe. I don't really want to use the same one though, so hopefully maybe we can use a different sandbox. We'll just go here. And then what's it asking for? Secret key. This is the sandbox, so it doesn't really matter. API keys. Secret key. Provisiones. Nice. Okay. Vercel. Pretty sure we already did this. Let's just say connect. I already did this. Okay, auth successful. Connect to a Git repository. Let's do recheck here. guess we'll say skip this since it's already done. Okay, run bring up. Run the manifest verify command migrations and builds and start pm dev. Watch health checks. I don't know. Let's see. Build failed. Missing the resend API key. Yeah, because that was required. So back in here, let's just copy it. Try again. If I could streamline this would be actually pretty dope. I wonder if it shows me in here what the error is, now that I'm thinking about it. No. It does not. Reset the dev app. Okay. Restart. Thankfully, it saves it along the way, so. Resume. I need to go back to services to this little cutie. Actually, copy, paste, provision. Ah, nice. Okay. Continue. I do have to skip this one for whatever reason. Did I not? You're not connected. I'm not doing this again. I literally just did this a minute ago. So there's something going on with that one. That I'll figure out in a minute. I'm just trying to see like what all the bugs are so I can kind of get through them. Okay, no, we linked it. Sick. So now it's going to create this. It's going to create this. Staging environments. Cannot create more than 0 custom environments. No worries. Don't even worry about it. All right, continue. Continue. Hello? So now I go to local and do this. I actually needed to do this on a dedicated machine because there's so much stuff I had to do to get around my local VPN. A lot of this probably isn't even accurate. But that's false. This is probably going to be a short stream today, to be honest. I say that and then I do a 4-banger. Hmm. I bet this has a lot to do with the issues with my local dev environment, to be honest. Which is slightly annoying. What is this? Workers dev? Okay. I mean, that's fine. It's an easy one to fix. Maybe just missed. It missed this. Yeah, there's some modules that weren't found. This is probably because it's coming from the local repository, which is just like a clone of this one at the moment. Nice. It was just a clone of this one. So hopefully it doesn't make any changes into this one actually, because I do not want it to do that. Because this is like the production one. And then this. This is the app that this runs on, so we shall see. I'm gonna go look at this other app real quick that I already built whilst we're doing this to kind of like get an idea. Yo, what up, Noah? What's good, dog? To get like an idea of stage dashboard. Let's throw a video into this repurpose thing that I already built. Let's go to like my YouTube and find one. Oops, on my Google account. My account, one of my lives. And then let's do, I mean, I don't know which one. Well, this one kind of popped off, so I probably said some cool stuff in here maybe. So let's see. Whoa. Let's see if Soku can do a x.com style post out of this that's not garbage. Got a little work done. You remember what you told me about marketing? Maybe that like the website is the most important thing. Like the marketing website is the most important thing. Was it that? Okay, let's try and generate a draft from this and see if this even works right now, and if it's halfway decent. And if it is, then I'll post it. This is a longer stream though, so I wonder if it'll pick up the whole transcript. Ooh. This is not a bad one. I don't know why it says post right here, so we can just come and delete this. The biggest mistake in building software, ignoring the user experience from the get-go. It's not about writing code, it's about crafting seamless journey for the users. If your product isn't easy to use, it doesn't matter how powerful it is. Okay, so it cut it off, which is not good. I don't know why it cut it off. Are there some other ones? Back to drafts. Stop overcomplicating your development process. You don't need dozens of workflows and countless tools. You know, like this. I mean, it's still... It's not terrible. I don't love it, but it's not terrible. The prompt needs some work, I think. I mean, the idea under the hood works. So the idea with this specifically is instead of like creators going into Claude or something, this is my idea at least, instead of creators going into Claude and being like, generate me 5 unique ideas on how to grow on social media. Make them Twitter style posts. And so like you click go on this, and I feel like this is just not integrous, right? To like come up with social media posts that aren't really unique ideas. And so my idea on how to solve this is, check Discord. Yeah, I will. Give me 2 seconds. My idea on how to solve this is to repurpose your own content, kind of like the Clippers do, right? That whole clipping thing that's going on. But you can do it in-house. And so it looks like a unique piece of content starting at the top, and then you repurposing it below. Also, I don't know if you were in here the other day, Noah, but like when these images weren't showing, it's because my billing account got disabled because I canceled a credit card that I forgot to add a new one to it. So now all the images are showing, which is sick. Check Discord. Dude, I never open Discord. I should do one where I'm like actually in like Slack or something. Because I know like developers and the cool kids use Discord, but maybe I'm not one of the cool kids. Because I don't really use Discord. I used to use Discord a lot actually. But I don't have any like communities that I'm a part of on there. I have it on my phone, but I mean, obviously I have some. Let me see. Boo boo, so cool. Oh, you DM'd me maybe? Did you DM me? Did you DM me, Noah? I don't know where. I don't see any new stuff, at least. Did you send it to me in Discord? Maybe I'm just retarded. I mean, yes, that's a given, but. Oh, it's okay. Cool. So here. Oh, this is sick. 2 tools, 1 door. DD cons. Oh no, it did. I think it did. Yeah, because I think this is the only message I had from you is 11:36. 6 roles. Product manager writes spec, 5 agents, one side deliverable. Oh, I remember you talking about this now. Made this by me for my friend's business. Oh, this is cool. That was a dope like a little intro. Very cool. That's cool. Like it has like a, I don't know, there's like a little animation back there where you can kind of see the backgrounds behind this. I like how you have all the different languages in here too. It's kind of cool. Obviously, I don't know what this is saying because it's in French, but very cool. Oh, this is insane. What? That's not French. That's Arabic or something. What? Oh, I can change it right here though. Oh, it's just Arabic and Indian? Or is it Indian? I don't know. Okay, nice, dude. That's sick. Very cool. Let's see what this little cutie's doing. Yeah, they both look Arabic to me. But like I don't know why this isn't changing right here, I guess. I guess it is some of it's obviously some of it's changing, but I think they should say EN though, not IN. Very cool though. Also, no, it's all good. That's all good. You never know if the hard stuff is worth building because it's hard, or because everyone's like, oh, like simple. Can I hard refresh? Sure. Keep it simple, whatever. But then they're like, oh yeah, if it was easy, everyone would do it. There we go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I hard refreshed. Very cool, dude. This is sick. Very cool. Yes, with one important nuance, it's the snapshot of Launch Soku at the release tag, not the live copy of your... Okay, that's good to know, actually. The pipeline is PNPM template pack, and Launch Soku builds a tarball of the source tree minus get ignored stuff like dist. Okay, the snapshot behavior is exactly why you hit this bug. The variant I clone was cut out from the template v1.0.0, and the turbo fix... Whoa, and the turbo fix that prevents this failure was merged to Launch Soku main. after that tag. Maybe. The fix existed in your source repo, but the clone only sees what's in the published release they downloaded. Nothing reaches buyers until you tag and publish the new template release. It's also why your launch Soku checkout never showed the problem locally. Your working copy has years of leftover disks and bill. That's funny. I've been working on this for 20 days. The pack the tarball deliberately strips out, so it never sees. Yeah. This is like the boring stuff, dude, to be honest. Configure, okay, now the launch spec is reading the contract correct, and it's, and expect it to send them, okay. I doubt it, but I mean, I'm gonna have to rebuild it. Oh, it is working. Interesting. Interesting. Ah, nice. It is working. It's actually pretty dope. Okay. I did not think that was going to fix it. But it did. So, the first step, I wonder if I could go back and then come back here. Okay, it still all works, which is dope. So the locally works. The scaffolding works. Whatever. And then, so I haven't even seen this screen yet. Continue to cloud. Set CI token, Vercel token, and railway token. Ooh, this is actually huge. I think. Create GitHub repo. Interesting. Would this actually do it? Dude, if this does it, that'd be so sick. Creates a remote and pushes the first commit. This would be insane if it did this. Because like the setup for this would be so simple for people. Oh, no way. It did it. It did exactly what I asked. Oh, dude, this is kind of a game changer. This is actually kind of a game changer. And then in here, if I get the Vercel token, Vercel, because it already deployed it, the question is, what token am I looking for? Access groups. Where do I get this access there? Pasted tokens to go straight to GitHub secret set. BuildSoku never stores them. I do need them locally though. Vercel token, where does this come from? Security and privacy maybe. Let me just ask chat real quick. Where does the for the cloud set. This is actually be huge for anyone looking to like build something very similar to Soku or to launch Soku, because like the configuration stuff takes a long time, and if you can just do this, if you can set up literally a production level application in less than 15 minutes with like a little wizard like this and then have it live within this application, that would be so sick, especially for non-technical founders. Like this kind of thing that I'm building is like for people that have up to like a 6 or a 7 technical capability. Like not particularly being able to code. Like you don't have to be like 7 out of 10 coder, but just like semi-technical, right? Like, you know how kind of software gets to work, like works. Like if my partner could do this and get it up and running in 15 minutes, then anyone could, really. Because she's like not very tech savvy. And obviously with the caveat, like you have to have accounts for all of this stuff first. Like you have to have a free account for Railway, a free account for Vercel, a free account for GitHub, etc., etc. So if you don't have those, you'll have to go log into them, but or create accounts and whatnot. I was just asking a simple question. Vercel app, I think it's gonna be this one, but I don't know where to get that. App token, navigation assistant. Nope. Micro front ends. I've never seen this before. Apps. No apps created yet. Okay. I don't want to be in team setting. I just kind of just want to be in settings. Right? What is team settings? It's insane how much these softwares offer for free. Like the amount of free things you get with Vercel is insane. Is this in the past 12 hours? Yeah, so 62%, well, it's only like, okay, so 5 people from San Francisco looked at it and 3 people from Portland, Oregon. That'd be cool. What about like the past? Oh, upgrade the Pro, of course. This is kind of a cool UI, to be honest. But, I mean, I desperately want to see this, right? Observability Plus. How much is that, I wonder? Upgrade. Please don't do it immediately. What is Observability Plus? This reminds me of that data fast. Is that what that's called? Revenue first analytics. Okay, well. This is actually pretty cool. So you can see like where your money came from. So the money that's coming into DataFast is mostly coming from his own website. This is the owner, if you don't know him. Mostly United States. What is the black? Okay. He's from France though, so that's interesting. And this is also his. And this is also his. So like the top, I don't know what that is. I guess it's nothing, but the top 2 revenue driving sources are his own website and his own secondary software, which is Trust MRR, which is kind of cool. It's kind of cool to see. You can see like entry page, exit link. I think a ship fast. Interesting. Oh wow, this is actually huge. It took this guy 21 days from the first time he visited. Oh jeez, come on, dude. It took this guy 21 days from the first time he visited to when he purchased. This is actually really cool software. I didn't know it did all this. Versus this person, they came from Trust MRR and then they purchased $2.99 in 13 minutes. 2 minutes, that's hard to believe. That's actually hard to believe. Oh, Google, interesting. Very cool software though, very cool tracking software. Yeah, this is the big one, seeing where your revenue came from. Anyways, okay, so the railway one, I'm gonna do this off screen. Railway dashboard projects settings tokens environment production, I guess. Build Soku maybe, create, copy. Is this hidden? Yes, it is. Okay, cool. Paste that in there. And then this one, for sell token, for sell your avatar account settings tokens. Okay, so this one comes from Vercel, like my personal account settings. What does it say? Tokens. I don't see tokens anywhere. Settings, tokens, new token, build, Soku, scope, full account, expiration, never, create, copy, make sure this is, paste this little cutie in here, and set CI secrets. Let's see if it likes that. Ooh, nice. Okay. Missing Vercel token. Wait, what? I just put those in there. You know what sounds so good right now? I don't know where everyone is in the world, but there's this beautiful burger shop called In-N-Out. And there's, oh, it closes at 1 though. I mean, I could make it. It's only 10 minutes away, 20 minutes. They are so good, dude. These burgers are fire. And it sounds so good right now. I get no tomato, no onions because it's nasty, and I get 3 patties, 3 patty, 2 cheese, 2 or 3 burgers depending on how hungry I am, and then fries. Ugh, sounds so good right now. My fat kid is inside me is screaming at me. Go get a burger. Go get a burger. Wait, what? Is it not a GT3? I saw this cute little 911 on Facebook today. Seems like a pretty good price for what it is. It's not a GT3 though. It's just a 911. I don't know if you can see that. It's so cute though. I don't know what this is. That's a video. Very, very cute. I mean, it's pretty expensive, but it's kind of sick looking. I love Porsches. I love my 2 attainable, like the 2 cars that I want to get, one of the 2 in the next 12 months, hopefully 6 months, hopefully 3 months, to be honest. Wait, why did that go away? Weird. Is either the 911 GT3, but like a 2017, right? Because I can't afford a $200,000 car. Maybe 2018 GT3. Yeah, something like this. Well, they went up, dude. Damn. Actually, they went way up. Holy cow. Because this one's probably got a lot of miles. Not too many. Yeah, it's pretty cute. Or a Audi R8. 2018 as well. This one's actually in town, and I drove it the other day. But it's just like, it's ultra base. Like everything about it is like the base model. So no carbon fiber anywhere. The wheels are very standard. They're not the 20-inch. It doesn't have carbon fiber here. It doesn't have carbon fiber inside right here. The seats aren't stitched. So it's like, and it's 141,000. This should be, I think this should be like 128. But no one's really selling R8s right now. So anyway, that was a mini rant. My buddy just messaged me on, or just texted me and we were talking about that other that red GT3 that I just showed y'all. Okay, so now set CI secrets. Let's see what happens. Shedding. So what this should do, in theory, is when I go to well, let's go to Railway. If I go to Railway right now, in Dashboard and Projects, let's just say API right here, in Variables, they're empty. But if all this is working and all these steps worked, it should push all all of like these, we'll say this one, like all of these values to railway. So let's see if it works. I don't think it's going to, but we can always pray. And it should do it to railway. Oh, it did. Did you see that? It is gonna do it. That's insane, actually. Very, very cool. So it's doing it all locally via the CLI. It's connected to this project, so it knows what's up. So we're actually going to be able to see those new values come in real time, and this is going to cut down like the time. So we'll be able to say, like in our landing page, for example. I can't show you right now, or can I? Can I show you localhost 3001? And it changed. That's actually so cool, dude. It changed. 3000. Sorry. It changed this name. It changed everything. So it's not launch Soku anymore. It's very AI. So you would change all the stuff that it says in here to whatever you wanted it to be for yourself. This is just a mock. But where was it going with that? Oh, so it takes 15 minutes to get all of this set up for someone, right? And their actual app is already working with their own brand and stuff. Obviously, they can change whatever they want, but that's actually so sick. So very sick, dude. Very, very sick. Let's go look at where did Railway go? Right here, and refresh. Staging might not have any, but production maybe. Yeah. Very, very sick, dude. So let's see what this project is. Very dope, dude. These I'm not sure about. I don't know where these came from. I hope they're not the same ones as in my parent repository, because I didn't tell it to give those unless it created those prices. That would be insane. Stripe. Whoa, Stripe. Let's go into dashboard. So this is kind of what, like, this is kind of what Lovable does. Product catalog. None in here. This is kind of what Lovable does under the hood. Yeah, I don't know where these came from, but no worries. But yeah, this is kind of what Lovable does under the hood. Like, they've automated a lot of the account creation process. Obviously, it's much more simple than this. It's just a simple front end and a simple back end. It's not staging environments. It's not APIs, especially not public APIs. It's not tracking. It's not analytics. It's not anything. So let's deploy through CI and see what happens. So I've been on stream for like, what, an hour maybe now? An hour and 11 minutes. And I've been doing some bugs. But a solo founder could probably do this in about an hour if they didn't have any account set up, right? If you don't have Stripe set up, that's super sad, Panda, because Stripe takes a while. But if you want to build a real SaaS, like, you're gonna have to use either Stripe or one called Lemon Squeezy, which I don't like the branding of at all. I just think it's dumb. Lemon Squeezy. Yeah, I think you just think it's dumb. But they're Stripe's one of Stripe's main competitors, so they're doing something right. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, when this is done, I gotta go through and probably update a couple things, but was kind of the main thing that I wanted to get done today. And then tomorrow, I don't know, I might keep working on simplifying this whole onboarding wizard process. But I really want to start working on my app, so maybe I'll call this a day. I don't know. I feel like it's a unique idea, right? The idea of this whole thing is pretty unique versus all these other, like, what are they even called? Agentic IDE, maybe? IDE? Like, what is bridge space or bridge agent? Bridge, what is it called? Bridge space? Is that what it's called? Bridge mind? The workspace for vibe coding. Yeah, so it's kind of like this. I wonder if there's like a... These images are not my favorite because you can't like zoom in and see what's going on. It's kind of like this is what I'm thinking. But different. Yeah, I should probably partner with this guy, to be honest. If I partnered with him, I bet we could crank. Obviously, he could do this stuff on his own too, but he's got a lot of infrastructure up already. I wonder if he uses... I bet he uses... this looks like React bits. Can we go check? Oh, shoot. Can we check and see this is React bits? I just want this component right here. How can we tell if it's React bits? If we go to the source. Yeah, doesn't matter. Anyways, what I'm thinking under the hood is obviously what we're doing right here, setting up all this stuff. But we'll have different projects, which will be like full applications that have its own environment. And under the hood, it'll have like all of the stuff that we're setting up in here that I'm using for my app. And then on top of that, like you might have like these things might go away. Oh, after that. And then you'll have like different terminals, and every terminal will be its own work tree. And you can code features in this project in parallel and have like your own web browser and your own Postman for this version of the work tree, which will be on like 3,000, 8,000, whatever, for example. And the next one you open, so you can test them all like in real time too, versus having to push to a different environment and then go and test and see like if it did it correctly for those specific work trees. So you could potentially be working on multiple different features at once in true parallel versus like what people are building right now. It's like, okay, build a feature, and then go to another place, start a terminal, check out what those changes did. This is all kind of integrated, and you could potentially have lots of different projects going at once, and there shouldn't be any conflicting local hosts, so you can test everything locally before you push to remote or whatever. Obviously, like logs of different work trees you've been working on, so you could go back to them quickly. Yeah, I don't know, just an idea. It's like it's building on the idea of something like Bridge Mind or whatever it's called, Bridge Space. There's other ones out there like it too. There's one called Clanker. Can't remember what it's called. There was a buddy in chat that pulled up and it would cut some software for business workflows. Is it this? No. What's another example for something like Bridge, whatever what it is, Bridge Mind? And what are those called? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it's called. Y'all get what I'm saying, though. Yo, what up, Tolly? What's good, homie? I don't know if this is stuck or what this is doing, to be honest. 'Cause it's been ripping for a while. Obviously, deployments do take a long time, but I don't think it should take that long. How can I check the status of these? Because railway. Staging. Or maybe Vercel. Or maybe it's doing GitHub. Let me see. No. Twenty-sixth? No. On my volumes though. I feel like I'm talking pretty soft too today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired. Let's go to pull requests and is PR? No PRs opened. Code branches 10 minutes ago. Okay, so it pushed to stage. Can we go look at there's like a settings thing? Oh, mine? Oh, it might be. That might be a little better. I just turned it up a little bit. I hope this isn't deploying to, like, I hope this got updated and it's not trying to deploy to my launch Soku, and that would be bad news. Let's go in here. GitHub. Go launch Soku. I desperately hope. Oh, God. Yeah, this wasn't supposed to happen. I mean, it's fine, actually. Is closed, is PR. 11 hours ago and 34 minutes ago, so that's fine. So it's not pushing to there. I guess I don't know. Why is this stuck? I'll just take a little photo. This has been running for about 45 minutes now. Actually, it's been more like 20. What am I kidding? What are we at right now? Yeah, it's been like, I guess like 10 minutes. Tali, would you ever stream games again or no? Kind of over it. That was a while ago that you did that though. Low key, this room is big enough and like empty enough that I kind of want to get a golf simulator and put it in here, like go against like this wall over here. This is a pretty big room actually. This camera's kind of, it's not fixed. I could pick it up and show you, but it might be a little annoying. But it'd be cool to like put the whole golf simulator like on this wall. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, it might be too much effort for the reward, to be honest. All these wires and shit. Anyways, there's a big wall over here. It's just got guitars on it and stuff. It'd be cool to like do a golf simulator and like hanging out with the boys in here, like even on stream in between like deployments and stuff, grabbing a little. Be kind of sick. They're so expensive though, dude. Like a good golf sim is like $8,000. I say it's expensive. It's not too bad, but it's $8,000. Yeah, I stream games currently, just doing it for paid subs. But when I'll get my platform to an MVP stage, I'll do it to advertise. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. That's sick. You stream on like Twitch or whatever? You'd probably do Twitch and not like YouTube anymore. You could always post like clips and stuff though. I can't remember what you played. But you could do clips for advertising and stuff like shorts, YouTube shorts, TikTok shorts, or whatever. That's like free money. Well, it's free advertisement. Oh, nice. Wait, what's your platform thing? I don't know what that is. What are you talking about? Are you keeping secrets from me, Tali? Swear to God. Did you build your own streaming platform? That'd be insane. Yeah, some shit went awry right here. Oh, I guess I didn't know that one of them was streaming. That's insane. Bro, send it to me. I don't think he showed me what it was. I don't think he ever asked or ever showed me like the website or whatever. Do you have a website, like a landing page for it? That's a great idea. Oh wait, you did because you were saying that like, now I remember, it was like in the very beginning because you were saying that like the other streaming platforms make it hard and like they take a big cut of your revenue. Oh, okay. Got a client to edit videos too. I got him on there to use, and he's using the storage features and likes it. Built him a fancy poker thing. Seems to be doing well too. That's so sick, dude. That's so dope, actually. What do you use for like the streaming software under the hood? If I keep using Fable, this is gonna get used up very quickly. But he built his own everything. That's insane. Well, when the marketing website's up, dude, you gotta point me to it. I'll start using it. It'd be sick. Gotta support the homies. Yeah, this is clapped. Oh no. That's terrible. Because I don't have those anymore. Oh nice, dude. That's sick. Yeah, let me know, dude. I mean, even I'll do the paid version. I don't care. Gotta support the homies. I once bought a pair of $500 jeans to support a homie who was like trying to do like the fashion thing, and he still does it, and he's pretty successful now. This was back 3 years ago. I used Fable today to make animation for the video I'm editing today, and it's insanely good for that, apparently. That's sick. I haven't used it for animations at all. I have a cool idea for an in-app, like for SaaS, like to ship with Launch Soku. Have an in-app system to where every day it lives in your code, right? and there's some sort of external workflow to where it'll analyze the features that you have. It knows like your components and your style and your, app structure. It can see all the pages. It uses Playwright, all that stuff, and it generates marketing videos for you like daily. So there's just one package called what is it? What's that video making package? It's like it renders it with React components, but makes it a video. It's called something. Videos from React components. Remotion. I think it's this. Yeah. So like Remotion would live in the app code, and then there would be like a workflow in there or something that every day it would generate like a marketing video for the app that it lives in. I think I saw a Y Combinator company doing something along these lines. Didn't go in though. It didn't the idea didn't go through, is what you're saying? Turn product features. Oh, yeah. Oh, you didn't click it. Mid-render. Turn product features into launch videos. Mid-render is a visual editor for creating motion graphics powered by AI. Point the agent at your code base. It reads your code. Read your code. Was it this? Mid-render? Oh wait, this is 2023. Just kidding. Let's go the past month. Anyways, I actually think that's a really good idea for something like this, Remotion. There's another one too, to live in your code. Let's do Remotion and see who's running ads against it. No one. Wait, today thing? Shoot. Today? Like the past 24 hours? Oh, you're saying that Remotion is the thing? Motion canvas. Oh, T-Day. Sorry. Yikes. Ah, right here, yeah. 8 days ago. Yeah. Connect a repository and tday infers how the app runs, then provisions an isolated sandbox per pull request. I like this. Database migrations, seed data included. Very cool idea. Merges a change, records real work through. I had this idea. I literally had this idea at the beginning of when I started building Launch Soku, but I didn't want to talk about it because I always had the idea of like the repository being like a full stop service. I'm not saying I'm not going to do it. Obviously, I probably still am. But yeah, I mean, I think it's a great idea. For solo founders who don't have time to make marketing videos, something like this could be huge. How much is it, I wonder? It drives the app like a person. Cut sorted on brand. Showcase the video. Yeah, I mean, this is great. This is sick. Oh, and it distributes it, which is cool. Which I could do too if I wanted through if I embedded my Soku, like everything I've done for this, into the Launch Soku thing. I literally have this all running already. I've built this whole thing. I just have done it in private, and no one knows about it. This is dope, actually. I'm gonna save this. Well, yeah, we'll save it in Soku actually, because I'll forget about it. See sample output. Ooh, that was a kind of a cool animation. This is. It's got to be React bits though, something like it. That's cool though. I like that. Wait, why can't I look at the product video now? I clicked it once and it's gone forever. You goober Joe. Or am I still on it? How it works. Sample output. Oh, it's one of these. Recorded by T-Day. Let's look at one of these little cuties. They always, dude, I hate this. Get out of my face. That's the easiest thing that you can make a video about is a fucking Trello board. Don't get me started on people. Dude, do not get me started. I'm going to go on a mini rant here. Don't get me started on people building these apps that have like 7 billion variations and calling it like unique or whatever. Like, dude, there's so many of them. Okay, I mean, yeah, I don't hate that. I mean, it's pretty basic, but Inkwell, sign in seconds, a DocuSign clone. This isn't complex though. Like, this isn't a complex app, so it's like it would be easy to make this. I want like a technically complex multi-stage. This is not bad. I mean, they all look kind of the same though, right? It would also be very important if there was landscape versus vertical. That one's a good one, I guess. Is this an SVG up here? What is this? What is that? Hey, come here, you little cutie. What is that? Yes, definitely cool that it works on its own. Like, especially, I didn't think about the PR integration. That's a really cool idea that was unique and not mine. I was thinking that, like I said a minute ago, it just ran on its own in the background and like picked up new features or new flows or whatever. But if you do this, it's a very, very cool idea. Posted to the PR to review. Oh, interesting. Very, very cool, dude. Oh, pre-merge. Oh, right, because it's in the PR. Oh, that's silly. Isolated sandbox. Very cool. Very good idea. Point us at your site. Today a demo account. So, oh, sorry. Hand today a demo account set up exactly how you want it to be marketed. Then pick a feature to showcase. It signs in with your credentials, drives real flow, produces the assets. No repo access required. Oh, it's on demand. It's very cool though. Can we, how much does it cost? Don't have an account? Book a call. I'm not gonna book a call, dude. I'm not gonna book a call, dog. Are these guys... How you think this is built under the hood? Is this still working on something? Yeah, it's probably like... It's probably a couple hundred a month, I would assume. I'm glad these failed, to be honest, because if they would have passed, I would have had questions because like nothing's showing up in the environments. I do wish that it showed you logs of the failures, which is sad panda that they don't. So that's gonna need to be added in there. Yeah, Remotion's one of them. There's a couple that I've seen. Someone said that one of them is way better. I just don't remember what it is. I like this too. This is kind of cool. This is pretty as well. Damn. I think this is... Dude, I say that everything is React bits. But I just want to say that I've seen a lot of components. I like them. I like their stuff. Components. Let's see. Animated stack list. Scroll stack. Magic bento. Is it backgrounds? No. These are just like backgrounds like that. Grid distortion? No. This one's kind of cool. What would it be? Pixel card? That's kind of cool. Carousel. That's kind of cool. This one's actually really cool. I like this a lot. You can like zoom out. What is it? Oh, it looks different now. Oh, this is a really cool component though. If it was like review, it'd be cool if it was like reviews or something. every different picture was like a review of something. Oh, you can rotate vertically too. Yeah, it's a cool component. Anyways. Yeah, reactbits.dev. They've got really, really good components. I will say I've used a couple of them, and a couple of the bigger ones make the loading, the initial load slow. I couldn't tell you which ones it was, but so just watch out for that, I would say. Just watch out for that, I would say. Like, I like this one a lot. This one's cool. They got a lot of cool stuff, dude. Whoever's building this stuff, I mean, we could probably find out if we went to their docs and found the GitHub repo. Literally right here. Oh, it's open source, so people just make their own. I guess you could make one if you wanted. No pull requests. Let's say closed. Fix, feature lanyard front back images. I don't want fixes though. I want like real. Feature, add hexagons background component. Might be cool to think of a unique one to come up with and then like make a PR into it. Anyways, I want to say I've seen something like this on there. They just don't have a very good way of categorizing. This is AI generated for sure. This is a very good idea. I like it a lot, actually. Thanks for sharing. Do you know if these guys got funded by Y Combinator? Founded team size 3. They're in San Francisco. Primary partner. Oh, they did. They probably got like a couple mil. Whoa, that's crazy. Can you see how much their funding was on YC? I'd be curious to know. Oh, that's the guy that approved them. Okay. Okay, cool. And these are the founders. Yeah, I wonder if you could see how much they got funded. It'd be kind of cool to see. Okay. I got you. But I feel like that's like Such a cool thing for YC to do. Obviously, they probably get some kickback. But 500K divided by 3 is, 175 or whatever, close to it. 166. So even if you get you bring 166 home, obviously infrastructure costs nothing. So this is just so that the developers can have a runway, right? While they're building. Very cool. Yeah. So cool, dude. $7% for life, like forever.